Doncaster up decoy to Towton North Yard. I haven't been here for over a year, and it's the trees have grown either side, even with no leaves on. Leeds Southampton intermodal. .12:17 Nottingham Leeds. Doncaster down decoy to Towton North Yard. Tunstead Elstow. Sometimes you end up weights, sometimes it don't. Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street, 2.5 minutes north of Alfreton from standstill. Southampton Western Docks to Doncaster Airport. Leeds Nottingham, 6.5 minutes south of Chesterfield, non-stop. This is a place called DOEHILL, about 2.5 miles north of Alfreton, about half a mile short of Morton if you look at real-time trains. The two lines to the left, the 80-mile-an-hour main lines, and on the right is a relic, still used for only 20-mile-an-hour each road from between Morton and DOEHILL to just the other side West Houses, about half a mile north of Alfreton. That's the view south, impeded by the tree. Obviously when that's got leaves on it in summer, you're not going to see a lot.